Have you ever found yourself knee-deep in a project, surrounded by countless spreadsheets, wishing there was a more streamlined way to manage your data? Well, today we're diving into a question that might just change the way you approach your workflows. Can you actually make spreadsheets in ClickUp? Let's face it, spreadsheets are the backbone of many businesses. They're where we crunch numbers, track progress, and make crucial decisions. But what if you could combine the power of spreadsheets with the flexibility and collaboration features of a project management tool like ClickUp? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly recap what ClickUp is. For those of you who are new to the platform, ClickUp is a versatile project management tool that's been gaining popularity for its ability to handle everything from simple to-do lists to complex enterprise-level projects. It boasts features like task management, time tracking, document sharing, and even goal setting. But can it really handle spreadsheets? That's the burning question, isn't it? Introducing ClickUp Sheets. Well, the good news is, yes, you can indeed create spreadsheets in ClickUp. They're called ClickUp Sheets, and they're a game changer. Think of them as a blend of your favorite spreadsheet software and the collaborative power of ClickUp. So what can you do with ClickUp Sheets? Let's break it down. Core features of ClickUp Sheets. First and foremost, ClickUp Sheets offer all the basic spreadsheet functions you'd expect. You can input data, create formulas, perform calculations, and even apply conditional formatting. It's like having a mini Excel within your ClickUp workspace. But what sets ClickUp Sheets apart is its integration with the rest of the platform. Imagine being able to link tasks directly to spreadsheet data, or creating custom views to visualize your spreadsheet information in different ways. It's like having a living, breathing spreadsheet that adapts to your project needs. Collaboration and sharing. One of the biggest pain points with traditional spreadsheets is sharing and collaborating. You often end up with multiple versions, conflicting data, and endless email chains. ClickUp Sheets solves this problem by allowing multiple users to work on the same sheet simultaneously. Plus, with ClickUp's built-in commenting and task assignment features, you can easily provide feedback, delegate tasks, and track progress directly within the spreadsheet. It's like having a real-time collaboration hub for your data. Use cases for ClickUp Sheets. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases for ClickUp Sheets. Project budgeting. Create a spreadsheet to track project expenses, income, and profitability. Sales pipeline. Build a spreadsheet to manage your sales funnel, from leads to closed deals. Content calendar. Plan your content strategy with a spreadsheet that includes publication dates, topics, and assignments. Time tracking. Create a spreadsheet to analyze your team's time spent on different tasks. Inventory management. Track product stock levels, reorder points, and supplier information. These are just a few examples, but the possibilities are endless. Comparison to other spreadsheet tools. You might be wondering how ClickUp Sheets compare to traditional spreadsheet tools like Excel or Google Sheets. While ClickUp Sheets might not have the same level of advanced features as these dedicated spreadsheet software, it excels in its integration with project management and collaboration capabilities. Learning curve and additional tips. If you're used to working with traditional spreadsheets, there might be a bit of a learning curve when you first start using ClickUp Sheets. But don't worry, ClickUp offers plenty of resources, including tutorials and support, to help you get started. To make the most of ClickUp Sheets, consider using keyboard shortcuts, exploring different view options, and taking advantage of the automation features available in ClickUp. So, can you make spreadsheets in ClickUp? Absolutely. ClickUp Sheets offer a powerful and flexible way to manage your data within the context of your projects. By combining the best of both worlds, you can streamline your workflows, improve collaboration, and make better informed decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.